Hello, Future Entrepreneur Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we made it to day number 164 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income within 1 year doing so. So let's go ahead and hop right to it. If you guys are not familiar with these videos or with this video series, please go back and watch the previous videos in the beginning so you can kind of know where we started and where we are right now. All right, so we've made it to day number 164. Let's go ahead and hop right into this video. Now, if you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay, so every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. Okay, now what separates the two is going to determine how many accounts that you have. All right, now the cool thing about My Legion Secret system, they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay, so you can simply sign up underneath yourself and you can chain your accounts. Okay, and you can get multiple subscribers coming in every single day. All right, just a little bit about myself. I have about 8 different accounts. Okay. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. And you will get sales and you will see progress if you come in and send out emails every single day. Okay. So that's just a little bit about myself. My accounts, I have about 8 different accounts. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes a day, okay, to send out my emails, and then I'm off doing something else. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like and what your back office would look like. Okay. Your back office is going to look pretty much just like this, identical to this. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Okay. So we're all going to be sending out emails on different days. All right. So, just another thing about this traffic, guys. This is cold traffic. Okay. So, these people have no idea who you are. Okay. They have no idea what offer you're promoting. And they do have to get warmed up to you and they have to get warmed up to your offer. Okay. So, it's going to be your job to come in every day and come up with really good ad copy, email copy to send out to this traffic. Another thing about this traffic, guys, these are business opportunity leads. Okay. These people care about making money online. All right. So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and find business opportunity offers that match up with this traffic and create a good email and insert your affiliate link into that email and then click send. Okay. That's pretty much all you have to do. All right. Now, there's going to be two popular ways to make money with My Legion Secret. Number one is going to be promoting the My Legion Secret system itself. You can literally come in here and you can promote this service itself, okay, by creating an email or using the free email swipes that they have right here in the affiliates tab. And then you just go to affiliates tabs and go to the promo tools here. Come on down here, and you're going to have some free email swipes that you can use for My Legion Secret. All right. All you would pretty much have to do is just click on import this email. It's going to take you to the mailing system. You click on select all. It's going to load all your emails up there. And then as you can see, it already loads a subject line for you. And then it loads a body text here. Okay. And then you come down here, you click on perfect timing and you come down here and just look at the email and proofread it, make sure everything looks good. Here goes my affiliate link right there. So all I have to do is come down here and then click on send. Okay. This email is going to go out to all my people on the list. Okay. And depending on how many subscribers you have, you could have hundreds or thousands. Okay, just depending on how many accounts that you have and how long you've been with the service. Okay, now one thing with these accounts, let's say for instance, if you have one account, you're only going to get 100 leads. Okay, if you have two accounts, you're going to get 200 leads on one and then 100 on the other. And then you will get the only way to get 200 leads on that second account is to by signing up and getting somebody to sign up or sign up underneath your own account. Okay. Now, the My Legion Secret, they let you, like I said, like I was saying before in the beginning of this video, they let you chain your accounts so you can pretty much sign up and then you just basically sign up under another somebody else's link And then after you get your first account, then you sign up underneath yourself. Okay. And you keep doing that over and over and over again. That way, all your accounts, you're logged under all of your accounts and you're getting credit for all of your accounts that you have. Okay. So let's say, for instance, with my 8 accounts, what I did was I seen somebody doing this method. I simply went and signed up underneath their link. Okay. And then after I signed up underneath their link, I signed up underneath my own link for all the rest of my 7 accounts. Okay. So that's what I pretty much did. And then every month that I'm paying for the service, I get a commission for each payment that I make. Okay. And that's coming back to me. Okay. So every 2 or 3 months, I can cash out and then, use that money to reinvest and get more accounts, or I can do whatever I want with it. Okay. So that's going to be one way that you can make money with the system. That's one popular way is by promoting the email service itself. Okay. Now, as you come down here, you'll be able to come in every single day. Okay. Every 24 hours, you can come in and send out an email. Okay. So this is very, very powerful because you have traffic, you have targeted traffic, okay, at your fingertips. Okay. This traffic is in the make money online business opportunity niche. Okay. So as long as you have some kind of offer that's related to making money or showing somebody how to make money, this is going to be the traffic that you're going to want to get. Okay. So it works really, really good, guys, if done correctly. Okay. So this is one way to make money with the system. The other way is by using a affiliate network platform. Okay. You can use places such as ClickBank, like we're doing for this video series, or you can use my Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Max Bounty. You can use, there's a ton of CPA networks that you guys can use for this method, guys. All right. Now, for the sake of this video, we are using a place called ClickBank because in my research of promoting offers, what I found out is that ClickBank offers do work the best. Okay. And they work, well, I ain't gonna say they work the best, but they work really well with the My Lead Gen Secret Traffic. Okay. So you could literally come in here, pick out an offer from ClickBank, and send out an email, and then you can get clicks on um, your ClickBank affiliate links. Okay, so those are going to be the two ways to earn money. Like I said, one is sending out emails with the My Legion Secret, promoting that, and then also is using a third-party service such as ClickBank or Warrior Plus or something like that. Okay, now there's going to be 3 ways that you can send out an email. Okay, in the system. Number one is you can create an email. Okay, you can just create it, create your subject line. Customer service reps needed, $50 an hour, hiring now, right? Subject line and then body of text. You can come in and say, hey guys, welcome to this email. Here's the job description. Tell them the job description. Let them know the income opportunities that they can make. And then also a call to action and let them know, the detail, right? You got to let them know what's going on with the job. And then also a call to action, let them know what to do. Click here or apply now or whatever. And then sign it at the end with your name. Okay. And then also what you'll have to do is you'll have to insert your link, your affiliate link into that email and then just click send. Okay. And that email will go off. All right. So you can send out your own email. That's going to be number one. Number two is by using some kind of email AI service, Chat GPT or something like that. You can literally go to Chat GPT and tell it to create you a email, okay, that's related to the opportunity that you're promoting, okay, which is very, very cool. All right. So that's going to be another way that you can create the email. And then third way is going to be using the already made pre-written emails that are from the vendor. Okay. And that's what I'm going to recommend to you guys first as you're getting started. Just use the free email swipes that come with the offer. Okay. So if you guys go to clickbank.com, okay, in the e-business, e-marketing section, there's going to be about 4 different offers that you guys can promote. And those offers do have already made pre-written email swipes that are known to convert like crazy. Okay. Take my word for it. I've used these emails before. I've seen progress. I've seen sales with these emails. Okay. I'm not telling you something that I have not already done. Okay. I've been doing this over a few years now. That's why I can come in and I can tell you guys that this stuff works. Okay. So go to the clickbank.com and just go ahead and sign up. It is free to get started. There's no link nowhere. I'm trying to sell you on anything like that. It's a free service. You guys can literally go there, get started. It takes about 5 minutes to get started, to get your account signed up, and then you can start using those free offers. Okay. So what I would do, I was recommend when I first started is just using the free email swipes from the offer. Okay. So you could literally grab the email, grab the subject line, paste that over, grab the body of text, paste that over, and then insert your affiliate link and make it a clickable link. Okay. That way our prospect can click on that link and it'll take them to our affiliate page. And our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. It's very easy, guys. And I'm going to show you guys just a mock email, okay, on what that looks like, okay? So pretty much, excuse me, you would come here. This is what the subject line would look like. You have your body of text here, okay? And then down here at the bottom, you have a call to action saying click here to complete this application, okay? Our customers will click this link and it'll take them over to our affiliate page. And then our affiliate page will do all the selling and telling for us, and our customer will either sign up, get us, start working immediately, okay, or they'll sign up and think about it, okay. Now, the cool thing about these offers and why I like them so much is that once our prospect signs up and they are entered into they enter in their email, they will get notifications and emails every single day until they sign up with us, okay. So basically, the customer signs up and they put in their email address, they get entered into the funnel. Okay, that funnel is going to take them through different series of things on how they can get started. And then also they will be receiving emails every day until they actually sign up and get started. So it's a follow-up sequence that you don't have to go out and create. Okay. Now, in more advanced marketing, you will want to create a landing page, actually a squeeze page to capture an email. Okay. Once you capture that email, you're going to want to put a customer through a funnel, and you're going to want to have a maybe a 30-day follow-up sequence where you're sending out emails every single day or every other day to that customer until they sign up. Okay. The cool thing about this method and why I love it so much is because you don't actually have to build all that stuff. Okay. That's more advanced stuff for marketers who know what they're doing. Okay. But if you're just getting started in this and you just want to make a little extra money, this is going to be something very easy for you to do. You don't have to build any websites. You don't have to build any follow-ups or anything, follow-up emails or anything like that. You can literally come in here and grab the email swipes and use those to earn income online. All right, guys, I'm just throwing that out there at you, throwing some nuggets out at you. Okay. So that's how you're going to do it, guys. That's how you're going to send out these emails, is just by using something that's already proven to work. Okay. Use those emails, put them over to the system, guys, and just click send. Okay. That's all you got to do. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to clickbank.com. This is going to be one of my ClickBank accounts that I made specifically just for this video series. And today, as you can see, is the October the 8th. Okay. As you can see down here, it's October the 8th and it matches up with this. Okay. So basically, me, I like to be transparent about everything. I like to show you what's really going on. Okay, I don't do fake screenshots or hype or anything like that. I just do real results. Okay, so you're not going to come into this back office and see hundreds of dollars and thousands of dollars made and just screenshots and things like that. I'm just going to show you real back office results and real results every single day. Okay. And this is just by using just only the My Lead Gen Secret traffic. Okay, we're not using any other traffic but the My Lead Gen Secret traffic. Okay, now I do have multiple ClickBank accounts where I do paid advertising and I do other traffic sources such as YouTube and things like that, and Google AdWords, Facebook, all that stuff that doesn't matter right now. But this specific series, I'm only doing just the My Lead Gen Secret traffic. My Lead Gen Secret traffic. Okay, so this is why I'm trying to tell you guys that you can do this too, guys. I'm no different from you. Okay, all I did was I seen something online, I seen someone else do it, and all I did was copy what they're doing. That's pretty much it, guys. And now I'm earning income every single week. All right. So as you can see right here, it's October 8th of the Mileage and Secret challenge here, guys. I like to do the last 30 days. As of right now, since we're still kind of fresh into this thing, we're only in month number 5. Okay, and this right here, guys, is going to be the last 30 days commissions and sales that we've received. Okay, so this basically is showing you the algorithm of 5 months in and what it would look like for you if you were to get started and send out emails every single day. Okay, now the cool thing about ClickBank, why I love them so much, I've been with ClickBank over a decade. Well, I'm sorry, guys, over a century. All right, so it kind of tells my age there, but I've been with ClickBank for a very long time, and I've made some really good money with ClickBank. And I really do appreciate ClickBank, and I'm going to continue still promoting their products and their platform. Okay, guys. So as you can see, this is the last 30 days. We have been earning commissions every day or every other day. Okay. As you can see, we may get a sale here. We may miss a day. We'll come back and get a sale back to back, miss a day, back to back. 2 days right here we went through without a sale, but then once we came back from 2 days, we got a sale 4 days in a row. Okay, we missed 3 days, right? But after that third day, we came back and we got another sale. We missed another day. We came back and got another 4 days in a row of a sale. We missed a day, and then we got another 4 days. If we would have got a sale right here, guys, we would have had a sale every single day. Okay. So as of right here, this has been the new algorithm, is this 4 sales in a row. Okay. Now this didn't happen till month number 5 of this series. Okay. So I just want to show you guys what it looks like from the past 30 days. Okay. Now, the further along we get in this video series, you're going to start seeing more consistency as far as these sales getting closer and closer and closer together. Okay. If you watch these videos from the beginning, we had sales that are very spread apart. We may have one here, one way over here, okay, and then one way over here, okay. Now, as we started to send out emails every single day, our emails start to get closer and closer and closer and closer together, okay. If you've been watching these videos, that's why I say go back and watch these videos so you can kind of see where we are right now. Because on month number 8, 9, and 10, okay, these results will not look like this, okay? Our sales will be a little bit different, okay? So I wanted to show you where we're at right now, okay? So this is what it looks like, guys, as the algorithm, all right? So we're getting these 4 days right here. So we got 4 days right here. We got 4 days right here. We missed 2 days, but today we did come back in and we did get a rebuild. We did earn a commission today, okay? So I just wanted to show you what this looks like as far as the sales. We did earn a commission today, which is really good. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like and if we earn money today and the algorithm for the last 30 days. Okay. So follow these videos, guys. Subscribe to this channel. Okay. Like this video. Okay. So and let you know this actually get this algorithm and gets it out to other people who are looking for to make extra income. Okay. And now ClickBank does pay every single Friday. Okay. So every single Friday you will get paid. All right. That's the cool thing about ClickBank and why I love them so much. This past Friday I did get paid, and then on this coming Friday I've already gotten paid already. Okay. So if you guys stay consistent with this thing, you can start getting on to the weekly payroll where you're earning commissions every single week. All right. So I just wanted to throw that out there at you guys. I've already sent my emails out for tonight. I've already hit my 8 accounts for tonight. So I'm going to meet up with you guys back here tomorrow to kind of go over those results and see how we did for tonight's emails. Okay. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your night. I will come back here tomorrow and meet you here at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.